Hi, my name is Dr. Dharma Chaudhary, and today I'm going to speak about bone marrow transplantation. Bone marrow transplantation is better defined in today's world as a stem cell transplant, where the defective stem cell is replaced with the healthy stem cells. When you talk bone marrow transplantation or stem cell transplantation, it's basically a two broad category: allogeneic stem cell transplant or autologous stem cell transplantation. Autologous means your own stem cell is being reinfused after giving high dose chemotherapy, and it does cure many lymphoma, multiple myeloma, and other pediatric solid tumor. When we go about on allogeneic transplantation, which is a broad category where you need a suitably HLA identical match donor, either from the sibling or family, or we find out from the unrelated volunteer donor registry. So the allogeneic transplantation could be match sibling donor, match unrelated donor, or in this world now progress has been made to do transplant with haploidentical donor, where 50% matched donor can be transplanted with successful outcome as equal to full matched sibling donor transplant. Another form of allogeneic transplant is using umbilical cord blood stem cell, where the unrelated cord blood can serve as a source of stem cell. Bone marrow transplantation is a curative treatment for majority of incurable blood disorder, like both benign and malignant disorder. And benign include the commonly thalassemia or other hemoglobinopathy like sickle cell disease, aplastic anemia, immunodeficiency syndromes, bone marrow failure syndromes. And malignant disorder can be cured successfully, like both acute and chronic leukemias, myeloid and lymphoid both, lymphoma, multiple myeloma, myelofibrosis and myelodysplastic syndrome, or pediatric solid tumor, where autologous transplant can cure majority of high-grade neuroblastoma and even sarcoma. Stem cells are collected either two ways. One is through the bone marrow, so that's why commonly people call it as a bone marrow transplantation, and it is usually done under general anesthesia and collected from the bilateral posterior superior iliac spine. Whereas another source of stem cell is peripheral blood, where we give some form of growth factor, which is commonly known as filgrastim, which is injected under skin, and what it do, that it mobilize stem cell from the bone marrow and it bring into the blood circulation, and we collect through the cell apheresis in the blood bank these stem cell, which can be later used fresh or cryopreserved. Umbilical cord blood is another source of stem cell, and you can collect stem cell after birth of the baby from the umbilical cord blood. So the next question comes, why bone marrow transplantation is a better modality of treatment for majority of blood disorder? When you talk about leukemia, lymphoma or myeloma, our stem cell, the hematopoietic stem cell, which is defective, and chemotherapy can kill the abnormal cells, what we call the cancerous cells, the blast or malignant, the blood cells. But there are chances that the disease comes back because stem cell remain in the body. So how bone marrow transplant help majority of blood disorder patient, blood cancers patient, is to replace the defective or cancerous stem cell with the normal healthy stem cell which is collected from the donor, and the chances of relapse goes down. even when you collect stem cell for autologous purpose, when you give high dose of chemotherapy, these stem cell which serve as a rescue, otherwise you cannot give these supraphysiologically higher dose of chemotherapy where patients jeopardize with the recovery. So a bone marrow transplant add on to the success of the chemotherapy, which save more life than conventional chemotherapy. When we go on benign disorder where there is no stem cells, like bone marrow failure syndrome, aplastic anemia, where the mother stem cell is also damaged, or the defective stem cell, like in thalassemia, sickle cell disease, if you replace the faulty stem cell with a healthy stem cell, then healthy stem cell take over the function of the faulty stem cell, and it produce normal blood or blood cells, which is only cure for wherever the defective stem cells are there or there is no stem cells. Thank you so much. To know more, please subscribe BLK YouTube channel.